What's going on, guys? It's the SS Ultimate Goku back with another video and a special unboxing video here today that we're going to do right now. Just got it in today. The 20-year Toonami t-shirt for this, because this is going to be good right now. It got the Toonami box. For anyone who doesn't know, Adult Swim's been doing a Toonami box thing there, and finally got it today. And even pulled out my other Toonami shirt. This is really cool because I've been a fan obviously since 1999 there, so you know, I had to get the box. Watch this stuff every week, you know. Got Tom, Steve Bloom, and whatnot there, and Sarah. We're gonna open this up. It's already kind of open for me, so we're just gonna kind of dump it out here. There's the box. Oh, that's not the box. This is the box. Okay, so it's got the Adult Swim emblem on there. And even show some other things on the other side there. You can see the current emblem, Toonami. You know what I mean there. Stay gold, people. Alright, here we go. Okay. I think this is how you open it. We're gonna see how to do this. Oh, aha. Ooh, this looks really cool. You can see the special like absolution ship there. Oh, this is really cool. Look at this. Okay, so you get the inside of the you know, the absolution of the ship, of the current ship. You get the door. I'm trying to show you guys. Get the door right here. Ooh. Oh, and there's Tom and Sarah. There's Tom and Sarah. Current Tom and Sarah, I should say. Personally, Tom 2 was my all-time favorite Tom. He was the really cool one. But got Tom, and Tom 5 has got to get he's got to get like a, you know, a remodel, because after that special event, you know, the countdown event that they just did a few weeks ago, he's not looking too good, you know. Sarah, obviously. This looks really cool. So we're gonna see all the goodie bags in here. It's a special Sarah, current Sarah. I'm sorry, I'm getting all the numbers mixed up here. The current Sarah in like some type of see-through type thing here. That looks pretty cool. Let's see what else. Oh, we get a special bag with Tom 5 obviously in there. You get a pen. It's a space pen, actually Fisher space pen. Temperature -30 to 250 Fahrenheit. Yeah, pretty cool. You get this. I think it's because it comes with a battery, so I think it's like a flashlight, some type of thing. Something like that. And then in the back here, you get more of the Absolution. And then, oh, I got a Toonami mug. Get a Toonami mug, yo. Oh, yeah. That looks cool. This looks badass. I'll probably open this later. Get another t-shirt, 20-year t-shirt, I guess. I got two now. I don't know what that is. And you get a magazine. This is for the, I believe this was for the Intruder angle, if I'm not mistaken, because I don't know for sure. Let me see. Conhead, Trader. This is March 1st, so maybe this is a new one altogether. I'm not sure. So now I got like two 20-year shirts. I was hoping they were gonna give me a different shirt, but they gave me the same shirt. Well, no, I won this, by the way. I won. Well, I'm sure all my subscribers know about this, but I was one of the guys who won the T-shirt, this T-shirt for the contest or whatever. They did a few months ago. Or I know it was actually last year. Last year for 20-year thing. But now, is this the same one? Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it is. It's the same one. Yep. So yeah. And let me just show you the back too. I don't know if there's. Oh yeah, there's some more on here too. And then they show you a little bit of the back. So that's the back of the box with all the little goodies. I do like the mug though. I really like the mug. The mug is awesome. Yeah, this is really cool. In the bag. I was just curious to see if there's anything in the bag. Yeah. So this is like a one-of-the-kind Toonami box. It looks really cool. I'm gonna probably have to put it back together somewhat. Here, I think. Gotta put it back together. I think that's how it goes. Put the Absolution back together, you know. So this was the Toonami box, the awesome Toonami box that I'm happy for. I don't know what this is for. Some sticky stuff. So yeah, there's a couple things. You get the t-shirts. I was kind of hoping for a different t-shirt, but I guess you get the 20-year t-shirt. Magazine. A mug, which this mug is awesome. I'll definitely be using this mug. This the crystal thing with Sarah in it, or something like that. Toonami pen, and this is the official Toonami book bag thing. Pouch or something like that. Yeah, no, it's bag. Really cool bag too. I'm using that. And then let me see this. Let me see if this flashlight works. I think it's a flashlight. Let's see if this works. Only Toonami on Adult Swim. Well, it was on Cartoon Network, but now it's on Adult Swim. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if this works. Probably put it in wrong, right? Oh, there we go. Whee! Flashlight. Sweet. Alright. So yeah. Awesome. Big ups to the people at Adult Swim and Toonami for doing this Toonami box. The box looks really cool. And I will definitely enjoy my Toonami box. So that's my unboxing of the Toonami box. Comment, rate. If you like this video or my other videos, you can hit me up with a subscribe. And that's about it. I am the SS Ultimate Goku, and I'm out of here. Peace.